WITSON.
Hi guys, this is a tip video today. Icebox also here. This is on a HV range which will apply to Jaguars, Range Rover, Land Rovers, and it's this with this interface here. So what I'm just going to show you today is in how to configure the system, because if what you may find on the original screen is because it shows the original OEM menu here, that you might find that you might get a no signal, or you might find that the screen is out of sync and maybe showing 2/3 of it or whatever. So an easy way to fix that is it basically goes to the Android mode, goes to the cogwheel setting, 1 second, this one here. Now you go down to about, into factory settings here, which is password 8888, and also you'll get into this back end menu. Now obviously in here, which is the Land Rover settings, see this car type here. So you'll see an option of all these down here, the Bosch and the Harman. It says Heyman there, but obviously if you've got the Harman card system. So if just relevant to whatever car you've got, i.e. this is the Bosch car. If you've got the Harman card, then obviously you'd relate to these. So if you got this one and this is the Bosch, so what I would do is, if you have anything out of sync, is just work through these here, all the Bosch ones, until you select whatever. You choose the one that you want, go back to the original screen, and you'd work it until you get this menu all in sync with the screen. If you find out these buttons don't work down here, then there is another video on our YouTube channel to show this. So yeah, I hope this helps. Now we do sell another range, which is the Mediway range, is a little bit more expensive. There is a different method for that. We will bring a video to you soon, but obviously this is relatable to our HV units. Okay, take care, bye bye.
WITSON.